Welcome to ABPS learning program. In the previous class, you have learned science from class 6, the first unit, chapter 1, food. And I've explained many things from the portions in the previous class. Today we'll see the food types obtained from plants. Since you have learned that the food comes from two sources only, from plants and animals. But for today, we'll see the food types of food obtained from plants. The first one is cereal grains. Cereals are edible grains, seeds obtained from plants of grass family, which are grown steadily. Example like wheat, rice, maize, and so on. They are rich in energy containing starch but also contain protein, vitamin, and minerals. The second one is pulses. Pulses are dried legume seeds used for human food. These are rich in protein and thus these are an important source of protein for vegetarian. The food like pea, beans, soya beans are the examples. Next is vegetables. Vegetables are those plants or plant part which are usually eaten raw or after cooking with main meal and are commonly salted and boiled or used for salad. Example tomatoes, lettuce finger, brinjal, and so on. Such types of food are good sources of minerals, vitamin, and raw fish. Next one is fruits. Fruits have fragrance, flavor, and generally sweet and different from each other. They are rich in minerals and vitamins. Some fruits like mango, banana, and grapes are rich in sugar starch, and some fruits like orange, lemon are rich in vitamin C. And next we'll see vegetables oil. We get vegetables oil from the seeds of many plants. Like seed of mustard, we get mustard oil, and we get coconut oil from coconut. So usually we use oil for cooking purposes. Next is sugar. Roots of beet and the stem of sugar can contain good amount of sugar. So it's rich source of energy as well as sweetening agent. Now next is non-alcoholic beverage like coffee, tea, cocoa. These are the three major beverages which do not contain alcohol. Leaves of tea as well as the seeds of coffee and cocoa contain caffeine. When taken in small amount, this substance increase mental activity and reduce fatigue. Therefore, non-alcoholic beverages are useful for us. Why? Because it increases mental activity and reduce fatigue. The next one is spices. We know that there are many spices which we use for cooking purposes for the flavor of the food. So the spices are dried barks, root leaves, seeds, fruits and flower parts which in small quantities produce characteristic flavor and or smell when added to food. Those spices which usually added to food after cooking are called condiments. Now you can see example like pepper. In Hindi we call it kali mirch, cardamom, choti ilaichi, ginger, adarak, chilies, lal mirch, garlic, lasun, and so on. These are some of the spices which we use daily while we cook food in order to get flavor and taste. Different spices have different taste. So for today, up to here, up to this, and we'll see further in the next class. Have a nice day.